The brake system is a vital component of any vehicle, ensuring quick stops to prevent accidents. For vehicles equipped with disc brakes, it's crucial to be aware of the signs of worn or faulty brake pads before driving becomes unsafe. Here are the most common indications of bad brake pads. 1. Noise when braking. The primary symptom of deteriorating brakes is noise. As the brake pads wear down, a noticeable squeaking sound emerges as a warning signal. Replacing the brake pads at the onset of squeaking should prevent louder noises. Yet, if this warning is ignored, the brakes may progress to a grinding noise. At this stage, the worn brake pads could be causing damage to the rotors. Immediate action is necessary to prevent any compromise to your car's braking capacity. 2. Wear indicator. Brake pads come equipped with various wear indicators. One type includes metal tabs resembling indicators on the brake pads that protrude when the pad material becomes too thin, producing the squeaking sound. Additionally, certain cars feature a dashboard indicator. When the brake pads reach a specific thickness, a brake pad wear indicator light illuminates. Refer to your owner's manual to determine if your car is equipped with this alert system. 3. Vibrating brake pedal. A more alarming symptom of deteriorating brake pads is evident when you feel pedal vibrations upon pressing it. If this occurs, it naturally raises concerns. This sensation may indicate that the rotors are no longer smooth, likely a consequence of driving with worn brake pads. In such cases, it becomes essential to replace both the brake pads and the rotors. 4. Uneven braking power. Under normal circumstances, brake pads wears uniformly, distributing equal force on both sides. However, if one set of pads becomes glazed or contaminated with grease or fluid, you may observe the car pulling to one side during braking. 5. Parking brake issues, rear pads. The parking brake, located on the rear brakes in the case of disc brakes, depends on the pads. As the pads wear, you may encounter difficulties with the parking brake, experiencing a diminished grip compared to its original performance. It's important to note that parking brake issues can arise from various factors, highlighting the necessity for a comprehensive inspection. Click on this video right here to explore the signs and symptoms of a faulty or bad ABS control module. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. Thanks. I'll see you next time.